Trust is a flame, freely expelled. Jealousy's grip, it chokes the light. Turns pure love into a fight. You can't force trust, it has to flow. Like rivers deep, or winds that blow. If it breaks, let it fade. Love's not built where shadows shade. Trust is fragile, don't make it bend. Jealousy kills what love intends. If it's there, let it thrive. If it's not, set it aside. Jealous hearts burn, trying to hold. But love's not bought, it's never sold. When trust is gone, don't cling tight. Separate paths may lead to the light. Tribal drums echo pain and fear. Futuristic sense whisper truth so clear. The horror lies in love untrue. Freedom waits for the ones who knew. Trust is fragile, don't make it bend. Jealousy kills what love intends. If it's there, let it thrive. If it's not, set it aside. Love is freedom, not control. Jealousy's poison scars the soul. If trust remains, let it guide. If it fades, say goodbye.